I just want to share my experience with Pritam because honestly, it was unforgettable and he definitely exceeded my expectations. So I hired him to create a funnel for me. Now, before hiring him, I did all the funnels myself. I am a very creative person and I'm pretty skilled in the whole funnel area, but there was just something telling me that there's somebody out there that can do a better job and help me with my sales, right? Because most of my leads come through social media and I have pretty good content, but I felt like there was something going on with my funnel. So I found Pritam through Facebook and I didn't immediately contact him, but I did keep observing, and I really liked his hustle, right? He was showing up every single day, posting multiple times a day. So that already, told me he's a hustler. And from there, I booked my call with him. Now, let me tell you, that booking alone was so valuable. I mean, again, I can speak the language of funnel building and design and art and sales, and I was able to provide him my expectations, and what I felt I needed for my business. And he was able to not only keep up with that conversation, but also guide the conversation into a better direction, providing me with ideas of things that we should do, why we should do those things, like some high level stuff that I truly was impressed that he was able to understand. Again, the whole sales thing. So a lot of creative people don't really understand the sales aspect, but he did. That's what impressed me. So from there, right, we said, let's get this going. We joined that partnership. And let me just tell you, there's a million things that I was super impressed by. I'm going to condense them. One of the best things immediately was I provided him with the copy because that's what me and my team were working on. And he was able to take that copy and put it in a way where it emphasized the key points and had a psychological effect to lead somebody down that line that I need them to book a call. It was just crazy to see how he put some design into the copy and give it that effect. On top of that, the whole funnel vibe is me. He captured my personality. He captured my brand, which is big for me. I want to make sure everything is connected, and he was able to do that. And what impresses me is that I know through our consultation, he was notating who I am, what my brand is, because that's the only way he was able to portray, this person onto that funnel. So as he's doing these consultations, he's jotting things down. He's taking this information in, which is super, super impressive. Another thing that I was so amazed by was his communication with me. I mean, if I had a question, even just something that I was curious about, regardless of the time, he would respond ASAP, which again, I didn't expect from him. I mean, even 24 hours would have been okay, but no, it was within the next couple of minutes, which I'm super impressed by. And that is definitely setting him apart from any competition for sure. So I really appreciate that aspect of his services. So if there's anyone out there who may be like me, right? Wondering if this is the right investment, wondering if maybe you should just do it yourself or if you can hold off on it, right? Just book a consultation with him, because I know even just during that consultation, you will be able to witness the things that I'm talking about, and you may be able to see how he can contribute to your sales and your weekly and monthly profits.